Good morning, everyone! Today is Saturday morning. So, syempre, kumpleto na naman ang pamilya. Alam niyo ba ang niluto ko ngayon for breakfast? We have a garlicky fried rice. Garlicky kasi napakarami talagang garlic niyan. Alam niyo ba, it has many benefits and it's rich in nutrients at very low in calorie. Isa pa, alam niyo naman na ang garlic helps reduce blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Ano ba itong nandito? Hindi ba ito yung ginawa kong daing na bangos the other night? So ayan, niluto ko na siya, ang ating milkfish na dinaing ko. It helps in the development of the brain and memory of the children. Yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ba, pampatalino daw po yan, sabi nila eh. And it also prevents heart disease, controls cholesterol levels, and nourishes the eyes. At ano pa bang meron tayo dito? Of course, hindi mawawala ang fried eggs natin. It's also a good source of minerals, namely calcium and iron. It has a high concentration of antioxidants, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Kaya napakamasustansya po niyan, especially for the kids na mga pumapasok po sa eskwela. Kailangan po nila yan at talagang kailangan po at nagbibigay po ng energy. At ano bang meron tayo rito? Of course, after we have breakfast, meron tayong cut oranges, which is rich in vitamin C. Napakaganda po niyan sa skin natin. Di ba gustong-gusto naman natin basta't pampabeauty? Parati nating, syempre, isipin natin kung ano yung maganda sa atin na mura. And this one is a natural source of vitamin C, which is actually good for the skin. At hindi syempre mawawala ang ating cucumber water. Cucumber water, alam nyo naman, is a body detoxifier. So, parati kaming meron yan. And, hindi kumpleto ang umaga kung walang coffee. So, this is our black coffee. At we're gonna pour the coffee in our cup. At ayan, ready na ang ating breakfast. Excited ang buong pamilya. So, kung ano man ang inyong breakfast ngayon, sana po nag-e-enjoy din kayo na katulad namin. And I'm sure busog-lusog na naman to. Alright, have a good day and stay safe. Bye!